Abdul Wahab.
Sir, Honorable Chairman,
अकाली दल और कांग्रेस समझौता करके समय बांटे तो मुझे आपत्ति नहीं है.
Honorable Chairman, thank you very much
Please.
for giving me a
Abdul
time.
Wahab.
Giving me a time for
उस हिसाब
speaking
से.
in this Thanksgiving motion. I raised to
बाद में आपको दिखाऊंगा.
oppose this motion of thanks. Sir,
Wahab is speaking.
Yeah.
He want to leave and sought my permission. That's it. Please.
me also agree the concerns of the members from opposition parties in the farmers' issue and the protest. My leader, Saeed Hyderali Shihab Tangal, already instructed us to intervene in this matter and go to the protest place and all. Sir, regarding this issue, we also convey our solidarity. Sir, this one journalist who went to report the Hathras issue is in jail now under UAPA. Today, Kerala, all journalists are protesting against that one. So please intervene in this case and release that journalist. Members of the, I want to raise this MP lads issue. When the COVID issue came, first thing what our Prime Minister done is just revoke the MP lads. In 2004, when I came here first in this Rajya Sabha, we used to get 5 crores so that we could make around more than 750 classrooms, I am telling you approximately. But now, with the 5 crores, we can only make something around 50, 60 classrooms. But still, that is revoked, and even the money which is due to us in 20, it is not given. 2021 and 21-22, okay, it is forbidden for us. But at least, please, this is the only money we are getting some credibility among the people. Now, nobody is looking after our Rajya Sabha members. Even they are not ready to see and ready to come to our house. Otherwise, people are there from schools, from different associations, coming for a 5 lakh, 2 lakh, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs and all. But now it is also gone. So, with your permission, with your interference also with the Prime Minister, please reinstate the MP lads funds. That is a request. Nobody is much asking because some parties are against for that one. And still I haven't got my 15 lakhs. I was always checking in my account whether it is reached or not. But still, after how many years, I don't know, it is not coming. And my wife was expecting that money to buy some ornaments for me. So that is, still the money hasn't come. And one more thing, this vaccine. Vaccine first, because of political reasons and all, it is only given to medical and service people. But for us, even if it is given to Prime Minister, people may think otherwise. That is why he is not taking. I don't know whether he has taken privately or not. But we are not having that facility. Even in our hospitals, people are not there to receive the vaccine. That is the situation. So in that place, at least you please request our Prime Minister to give to the first phase itself, at least to MPs and MLAs and Panchayat members, so that we are going around, and I already have corona, and 1 month I was in hospital. By the grace of God only I managed to come out. So this is the situation of corona, and I don't want to take much of your time, because you are always telling, before you intervene, I am this one. Once again opposing the motion of thanks. Thank you very much.
Thank you. God bless you.